Now, Terra Luna Classic has been through a lot recently. I mean, guys, proposal after proposal after proposal, and we're basically in a new stage right now for Terra Luna Classic that we haven't been in before. What we've got going on is a 0.2% burn tax. This has already been implemented, it is already in place, and we are already seeing a slight reduction in the amount of Terra Luna Classic that is being burned. That is obvious, but the hope is that utility will return to the blockchain because of the funding of this community pool. Now, I'm going to talk a little bit about that in this video, and I want to focus on that because it's going to take time for that to happen. And in order to gauge the amount of success, how much time do we give it? So we're going to be looking at that aspect of things here in a second, but I also want to touch on some more exchanges that are supporting Terra Luna Classic and the reduction of the burn tax. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks. And a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. Now, if you want a crypto exclusive exchange, you've got KuCoin down there. KuCoin allows buying and selling LUNC, and it also allows trading Terra Luna Classic on up to 5x leverage. So if leverage is your thing, you've got KuCoin, and they have rewards for the more active trader. If you're an international user and you want to support the burns, Binance is currently burning trading fees on the international users out there, and if you'd like that, you've got a link in the description below for Binance. But guys, we got a lot to discuss, right? And we've gone over what exactly these changes are, so we're not going to focus too much on that in this video. We got the 0.2% burn tax now, and a 10% of everything sent to the burn wallet is now going to the community pool, as opposed to just being burnt. So any burns you see go over there, it's essentially 90% of that number is what's really being burnt. So keeping that in mind, what does this mean? How are the reduction of burns going to increase burns? Now, it's a counterintuitive question, right? Because you lower burns, you lower the tax, but you expect the burns to increase. And the matter of the fact is, they don't necessarily think that this is going to increase trading volume. Just people willing to trade Terra Luna Classic, and it's going to 6x increase because of an increase in trades. No. What they think is going to happen is the return of utility to the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. And that's what I want to focus on here for a second, because this isn't going to happen overnight. I mean, guys, it's been a whopping like 10 hours? 10 hours since the burn tax is live, and we don't have any new developers coming to our rescue? Now, this is the type of impatience that we got into with the Terra Luna Classic community and the Terra Rebels there, only waiting 18 days to see what the burn tax would do. And if we don't have business after business after business after developer after developer after developer flocking to the Terra Luna Classic blockchain over the next 48 hours, people are going to start to get a little antsy. People are going to start to ask questions. Is this really working? Is this really the direction that Terra Luna Classic wanted to go? And regardless of the way I feel about it, we need to see if it's going to work. We cannot be impatient. We can't have this mentality like it was supposed to work yesterday in anticipation of the changes we were making today. So we really have to focus on that, and we really have to focus on being a little bit more patient when it comes to rebuilding an entire blockchain. But nonetheless, guys, where does this utility come from? Great question in the live stream today. I believe it was by JB asking, How does creating a stablecoin create utility? How does this increase burns with a stablecoin? How is this going to improve the Terra Luna Classic blockchain? And it may be something that's overlooked, but what we have right now is no stablecoin, just Terra Luna Classic being bought and sold. The idea is, with this algorithmically fungible, partially collateralized stablecoin, whether it's USTN, USTC, I don't care what the name is going to be. Once we've got this stablecoin, it's going to allow for more, I guess, retail transactions, more business transactions. You don't go to the store and buy things in your investments. If you believe something's going to increase in value, you're not willing to spend it right now. You're willing to spend your dollar because your dollar's not going to increase in value. So if we've got developers in business coming to build on the blockchain because we have this algorithmically fungible stable coin or algorithmic fungible collateralized coin, whatever we're going to end up calling it, it should, in theory, increase the amount of transactions. Now, those transactions will have a tax. The same way that Terra Luna Classic had a tax before the fall. So what took place prior? We might need to focus on this a second. What took place prior to the depegging of Terra Luna Classic was a swap. You would swap between Luna and you would swap between UST. Now, when you swapped, you would burn the Luna and you would mint UST. When you would swap back, you would burn the UST and you would mint new Luna. And that burning and minting mechanism was it had a tax on it. A part of that tax went to the Oracle pool, and then the other part of that tax went to the community pool. What we've got now is anything that takes place that is sent to this burn wallet, 100% is burned. And well, actually, no, that's what we had 2 days ago. What we have now is 90% of what's sent to that pool is burnt, and the other 10% is going to be reminted and sent to the community pool. When we create this stablecoin, any of these swaps that take place, any of the transactions in this stablecoin, business to business, business to consumer, consumer to consumer, the transacting of this stablecoin will also carry a small tax. And a portion of that tax will be burnt, theoretically. And a portion of that tax will be sent to the community pool as well. So guys, the increased usage of the Terra Luna Classic blockchain is what is going to increase the burns over time. This is the most important part that I can guarantee the Terra Luna Classic community begins to overlook by the end of next week. Everybody will get bored. Everybody will say, this was the dumbest idea ever. We are burning less now than we were burning before. What is going on? And it's because we don't have the foresight to see the utility returning back to the blockchain. And that's the last thing I want to happen, is for the Terra Luna Classic community to remain impatient. Regardless of whether I like this idea or not, impatience will kill us. If you want to be a millionaire yesterday, it's not going to happen. Today is already here. We have to focus on the future, and we have to focus on the growth of the Terra Luna Classic blockchain and this entire ecosystem that is being built. So guys, I want to know what you think. Down in the comments below, here's what I want to know the answer to. How long do we wait before we determine whether or not this new tax and this new, I guess, community pool is judged? A week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, a year? How long do we wait? Let us know down there in the comments. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.